dispatch. Enjoy your flight.
Can I ride in the front?
It depends on weight, so I can't promise you that.
Otherwise, can we ride separate?
If you want to ride separate.
I just want to, be able to see on the camera.
Well, the heaviest person needs to be in the front, so...
All the runners upon entry, please make sure you secure animal sounds to the flight and that will be around. Please remember that cell phone use is not permitted during course this flight. Once seated, your safety belt be right to your left and it will go around both passengers. When the flight deck comes around, pull the orange strap so they can make sure that you are secure. All clear. Dispatch. Enjoy your flight. Welcome back. Command passenger stay on exit to your left. Thank you for riding. Ensure the passenger stay at Knoebels. On the riders upon entering, please make sure you secure anyone attached to the flight attendant that will be around. Please remember that cell phone use is not permitted during the course of this ride. Once seated, your safety belt be right to your left and it will go around both passengers. All clear, dispatch. Thanks for your flight.
You gotta make your own sound effect.
I like the little front of the car.
Yeah. Full speed! Prepare for descent. Must be hard to maintain with replacing all that wood.
I know. Must be winter a lot.
Well, were you able to see anything?
Wow.
Welcome back. Command passenger safety belt exit to your left. Thanks for riding. Ensure the passenger stay at Knoebels.
Thank you.
All new riders, please make sure you secure anyone down to the flight attendant that will be around. Please note cell phone use is not permitted during the course of this ride.
Got your stuff.
Thank you.